Ever wondered what really happens behind those sleek airport walls? It's not just overpriced coffee and endless corridors. Airports are packed with secrets. Some are clever, some unsettling, and a few will leave you stunned. Today, we're revealing the 15 hidden truths airlines hope you never discover. Stick around. The final one is a game changer for every traveler. You spot an open seat with a charging port. Perfect, right? Wrong. Some seating areas are surveillance traps equipped with hidden cameras and microphones. While you recharge your phone, your data might be fueling an intelligence file. This isn't just about security, it's about data collection. Moral of the story? Avoid venting near TSA. Big Brother is always listening. For ultimate privacy, consider carrying a portable power bank. It's a small investment for peace of mind and keeps your devices juiced on the go. Notice how you slow down in security lines? It's not just fatigue, it's psychological design. Airports switch from hard tile to soft carpet to subconsciously make you walk slower and calmer. This clever trick is all about easier crowd control and reducing stress in high-traffic areas. Next time you shuffle across that plush rug, remember, you're not just walking, you're being managed. It's a subtle way airports guide passenger flow, making your journey feel less rushed, even when it's packed. That free water fountain? It could be nastier than a gas station bathroom. Many go weeks without deep cleaning, collecting mold, bacteria, and biofilm. Hundreds of hands touch it daily, making it a hot spot for germs. Your move? Buy the overpriced bottle. It's a rip-off, but at least it won't make you sick. Better yet, bring an empty, reusable water bottle and fill it up after security at a restaurant or a less-used fountain. Think you're anonymous? Think again. Airport staff often get alerts about VIPs, frequent flyers, and past problem passengers. If you've ever lost your temper at baggage claim, don't be surprised if you get extra scrutiny next time. Flight crews aren't just smiling. They're taking notes. Your behavior, good or bad, can be logged and affect your future travel experiences. Always be polite. It pays off in the long run. Your bag doesn't just ride a conveyor belt. It undergoes a high-tech interrogation. Explosive scanners, chemical sniffers, and advanced imaging inspect every inch, inside and out. This rigorous process is for your safety and everyone else's. Don't worry, they're not judging your packing skills, just ensuring your socks aren't hiding anything dangerous. Knowing this can help you pack smarter, avoiding items that might trigger extra checks and delays. No seat at the gate? Blame overbooking. Airlines sell more tickets than seats, betting on no-shows. When everyone arrives, you get bumped. It's legal, it's ruthless, and it's all about maximizing profit, even if it leaves you stranded. To avoid this, check in early and consider flying during off-peak times. If you do get bumped, know your rights. Airlines often owe you compensation, sometimes hundreds of dollars, plus a new flight. If someone passes away mid-flight, crews don't announce it. Instead, they use coded phrases like Jim Wilson or Operation Sunrise to handle it discreetly. This maintains calm and avoids panic among passengers. Heard an oddly formal intercom message? You might have witnessed a silent emergency. It's a testament to how flight crews are trained to manage sensitive situations with utmost professionalism. That convenient ATM near your gate? It's a trap. Sky-high fees, terrible exchange rates, and fine print scams can cost you 10% or more per withdrawal. These machines prey on travelers in a hurry. Pro tip: withdraw cash beforehand from your bank or a trusted ATM. Alternatively, use a credit card inside the terminal for purchases, as they often offer better exchange rates and fraud protection. That wiped-down tray table? It's likely filthier than a public restroom. Planes get quick cleans between flights. Deep scrubs happen maybe once a month. Think about how many people have sneezed, coughed, and eaten over that surface. Pack sanitizing wipes and scrub your seatbelt, armrests, and tray before touching anything. This simple step can significantly reduce your exposure to germs and keep you healthier during your journey. A $14 sad sandwich, a $6 granola bar. Once you're past security, you're a captive customer. Prices skyrocket because they know you're desperate. Your options are limited, and they capitalize on that. Pack snacks. Your wallet and stomach will thank you. Granola bars, fruit, and sandwiches from home are perfectly fine to bring through security. This is a top tip for budget travelers. Lost luggage that's never claimed doesn't gather dust. It's sold to the highest bidder. No peeking inside first. You could score designer clothes or a taxidermied iguana. This fascinating process happens at places like the Unclaimed Baggage Center. Checked a bag? Hope it doesn't become someone else's treasure. Always tag your bags clearly and consider using a tracking device for peace of mind. Those serene lounges aren't just for millionaires. Many offer day passes for cheap, and some no-fee credit cards include free access. This is a fantastic travel hack for comfort. Skip the chaotic gate. Ask about lounge access and enjoy free snacks, Wi-Fi, and peace. It's a great way to relax, catch up on work, or simply escape the crowds before your flight. Celebrating an early arrival? Airlines pad flight times to boost on-time stats. Your early landing was likely right on schedule. They just manipulated the clock to avoid complaints. This common practice makes them look good. Don't be fooled. Your flight probably took the exact amount of time it was always going to. This is a clever way airlines manage customer expectations and improve their performance metrics. At 35,000 feet, your pilot could be napping, and it's legal. On long-haul flights, crews take regulated rest shifts to stay sharp. This isn't a safety concern, it's a safety measure. A sleeping pilot is safer than an exhausted one. These controlled rest periods ensure pilots are alert and focused when it matters most, enhancing overall flight safety. Ever seen a near-empty plane take off? It's a ghost flight. Airlines fly them to keep valuable airport slots. Canceling could mean losing those coveted slots to competitors, which is a huge financial loss. Wasteful? Yes. Profitable? To them, absolutely. This bizarre practice highlights the intense competition and complex logistics within the airline industry. Post-flight, everyone rushes to the first bathroom they see, which is packed and filthy. This is a common mistake for first-time flyers and even frequent travelers. Walk deeper into the terminal for cleaner, emptier restrooms. Your bladder and sanity will thank you. A little extra walk can save you a lot of discomfort and frustration. Next time you're at the airport, look closer. From hidden surveillance to padded schedules, the system's designed to work against you. Stay sharp, pack smart, and don't fall for the tricks. Safe travels, and may your flights be less shady than these secrets. Which secret shocked you most? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more exposés and travel hacks that will make your journeys smoother and smarter.